Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to the new Cooking with Nonna. Nonna, say hello everybody.
Hello everybody, I'm Nonna Romana.
And tell everybody what we're going to make today.
I gotta make today, my sister they bring for she's yard, zucchini flower. I wanna make,
Like a zeppola.
look like a zeppole di zucchini.
Yes.
It's very good.
We got the zucchini flowers from Zia Rosa's yard on 20th Avenue. These are, I mean, if you're Italian, you know that like you will cut somebody for a zucchini flower.
Very fresh, she take today.
She grows them, my aunt, God bless her, and every other day she's over here with a big plastic bag full of them. So if you don't know where to get zucchini flowers, the best way to get your zucchini flowers every year is to either grow them yourself or make friends with somebody that grows zucchini flowers, because that is the only surefire, least expensive way to make sure that you got your zucchini flowers all year, every time you want them, okay? Because otherwise they're hard to find, they're expensive, everybody complains. But God bless my Zia Rosa. Mwah! She's always come through with the zucchini flowers. Today we're going to really do something really cool. We're going to make kind of a zeppole with ricotta and zucchini flowers. Are you excited, Nonna?
No. I like making that.
No. Nonna thinks excited means nervous. So whenever I ask her if she's excited, she always says no. But I can tell she really is excited about this recipe. So let's go over the ingredients, okay?
Yeah.
What do we got? Zucchini flowers.
Yeah. Zucchina.
Zucchina.
This menta.
Mint.
Menta. Ricotta.
Yes.
Flour. Eggs. Garlic. Salt. A little cheese.
And a little cheese. Nonna's going to grate at the end. And maybe she'll give you a special song, because you know how she likes to sing when she grates her cheese. So what do we put first? La ricotta, right?
Okay.
Okay, we're going to get some whole milk ricotta in here. Super easy. These don't need to rise or anything. Okay. We're going to get the wet ingredients in here first. And guys, for the complete recipe with the full list of ingredients, just head to cookingwithnonna.com, click on the link, and it'll take you right to the recipe. Going to add our 2 eggs. You want to mix a little bit?
Yeah.
And these zucchini flowers are beautiful. These were picked this morning. It's really best to pick your zucchini flowers in the morning because they're open and you can see if there's any like critters inside. You know, still, of course, always wash them even if you don't see anything. Wash them really, really good. We wash them and we lay them in a colander like this so the excess moisture could drip out. And then we got our zucchini right here. Okay, Nonna, you want to cut zucchini?
Yeah.
Can I have the knife?
Yeah.
I'm going to do the flowers. We're going to cut these up kind of small. Now, Nonna, whenever she cuts a zucchini, whenever she does anything to a zucchini, if you guys see like these marks over here.
I got to take away.
Yeah, she's got to take. Why you got to take away?
Because sometimes they have sabbia inside.
Oh, sometimes there's dirt inside those little grooves. And she doesn't like that. So I'm going to cut these flowers up like this.
My mother teach me very well because she's fanatic, my mother.
And you teach me very well.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Just kind of coarsely cut these up. I'm not going to put this end part in. Okay, and now we're going to add our mint.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got to cut.
Yeah. Start stirring this up together. Let's add the rest of the mint. Okay. E l'aglio. Nonna is able to cut garlic the smallest out of anyone I've ever seen. She makes the smallest garlic ever.
Hey, you gotta cut the small. You have to make.
Okay. And now we gotta add some cheese.
Yeah.
You gotta grate the cheese?
Yeah, I gotta grate it. Let me wash my hands.
Hold on. I gotta. Here you go. Okay.
Let me grate the cheese.
Oh, she grates cheese. She's gotta sit.
I gotta sit.
This is Nonna's favorite cheese grater ever.
This my sister sent from Italy.
But now we have them in La Bottega by popular demand. Everybody saw Nonna using this cheese grater and they got obsessed with it, so now we have it. Nonna, why don't you sing a little song for everybody?
Oh. Vogliamo le bambole, vogliamo le bambole, vogliamo le bambole per fare l'amore. E la mamma mi diceva non sposare le donne bionde perché sono tutte vagabonde. Non mi sposerò mai più, mai più. Vogliamo le bambole, vogliamo le bambole, vogliamo le bambole per fare l'amore.
Yay!
It's nice, eh?
That's a very nice.
Okay, I finish.
Let's see what we got. So this cheese that we're adding, is a cheese that we bring back from Italy, like in our suitcase. It's called Roded's. It's technically a French cheese, but it's most similar to a Parmigiano. But if you want to use pecorino in this, you totally could.
I love this one.
I know. Nonna loves this cheese.
Yeah.
So we're just going to mix that in. Yum. And this is going to add a nice amount of salt. So maybe we'll put a pinch at the end, but I don't think we're going to need it. Okay. And now we're going to sprinkle in our flour. You want to put in?
Okay, that's enough.
I'm so excited about these because I have never met a zucchini flower I did not like. I like them stuffed, I like them fried, I like them cut up and put in pasta. I mean, there's just no wrong way to eat a zucchini flower. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt to this, not too much. About a teaspoon or so. Okay, so this batter is just about done. Now all we're going to do is heat up some olive oil. Nonna likes to fry in olive oil, but if you want to fry in vegetable oil or whatever oil you want, that's totally fine. And we're just going to drop them in, and in no time we're going to have some delicious golden brown zucchini flower and ricotta zeppole. Okay, so I got my 2 spoons, and I'm just going to take a nice spoonful and drop it into the oil. Any of these little pieces that break off, try and scoop them out. Because they could burn, and then they can burn your oil, like make your oil bitter. Oh, these look good. Okay. Oh, this looks good. Look how pretty this one is. And very important, these need salt as soon as they come out of the oil. It makes a world of difference, believe me. Okay, so round 2. I'm serious, guys. I use this thing for everything. For pastas, for oil. It's my favorite tool. Okay.
They look nice.
They look nice?
Yeah, very good.
They look good, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You want to eat one, don't you?
Sure. I want to test.
Okay, taste. Let's see.
You take one?
Yeah, yeah. I'll take one too.
So good.
Sono buoni, no?
Yeah. Very good.
So good. You can taste the ricotta. You can taste the cheese.
Yeah.
They're nice and soft.
Very good. I love it.
I'm going to have one more.
Very good.
Guys, when you make these, hide some of them because they're all going to go in like 10 minutes. Anything zucchini flower goes like that. So care about yourself, put yourself first, and hide yourself a little stash when you make these. Trust me. You're going to have to. You'll think. You're welcome. All right? You're welcome.
Very good. I
Okay.
love it.
We finished together?
No.
No? Who we got to save for?
For me, I eat orecchiette before, you know. No, too much.
Well, I think we should eat them all because we did all the work. So,
Yeah. That one, that's all. And the small one.
no, a little one. Just a little one she picks.
Very good. I love it.
Okay. We're going to hide our stash of these and wait for some more people to come home and finish them because I know they will. But Nonna, thank you for being my Nonna today. Mwah!
Thank you.
And every day.
I love you.
And we want to say a big thank you to my tia Rosa for providing these beautiful zucchini flowers. My Zia is the patron saint of zucchini flowers.
She's number one.
Number one Zia ever. We
Yeah.
love her. Okay, Nonna, you want to say bye-bye, everybody?
Bye, everybody.
We will see you
Bye-bye.
guys next time on the new Cooking with Nonna.